Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to log in Start Telegram application on your Android device. Before logging in, make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from us. Now moving back to our video, make sure your device is connected to the internet and also make sure that you have installed Start Telegram application on your device. If you have installed and your device is connected to the internet, then open Start Telegram application on your device. After opening the application, it will ask you either to open Start Telegram page in your mobile browser or not. If you want to press the visit website, press visit web page button, and if not, dismiss note. Then you will get to learn more about the news, choose your topics and the papers and your content. Also, you can manage your data users, send feedback about the application or access your profile information. Then you'll also get an option of continue to app. Press continue to app button. Then it will ask you to choose some topics that you want. Choose the topics that you want and then press view preference. After that, press done. Then you will be successfully logged in to Start Telegram application on your device, and then you can read more news about different things. Also, you can use it to its fullest. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. If yes, give us a thumbs up. Also, comment down in the comment box if you have any questions or feedbacks related to this video. We will be back soon with more tutorial videos. Till then, bye.